So in this next video, we will take a look what it feels if the person is approaching an object that is above their waistline. This is one of the main practical use cases for the device like SuperBrain, is that while you understand or where you are really covered what's happening on the ground with your white cane or with your guide dog, then usually it's not very helpful if you're approaching this kind of hanging objects or objects that are above your waist level and in your face. So the person usually starts approaching with the really small steps towards the objects, and in this case it's a lamp. You ask them to really walk towards the object, and you can always guide them to say that, okay, now you're close by enough, so you can stop walking, and ask them if they actually feel it. To make sure that they understand where the object actually is, they need to actually grab it with their hands. And this is really helpful for, again, creating this kind of mental connection, just to make sure that the object is actually physically there. Then, just to, again, make sure that they understand the movement of the objects, you ask them to swing the lamp. And the lamp is moving left to right, and then you can feel it on your forehead as well, that the object is moving from left to right. To just make it a little bit more interesting, you can play this small game that they will swing it and they need to actually grab it with their hands. It usually takes a couple of times to practice, but in general, it's not a very hard task to perform, and it really helps them to understand how the object is moving according to them or their viewpoint, and how to really grab it and to understand where the object is. The good thing is that there is really small latency between the haptic feedback and the real world. So it's roughly 10 milliseconds, and it is almost in real time. So this is usually something that they can work with, and they can understand the real-time movement of the objects.